Kia ora and welcome back to this week's Vocal Warm-Up Wednesday. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Zoe Stebe, your vocal coach, and I help singers go from feeling frustrated and overwhelmed about their voices to singing confidently, clearly, and without flaws. In this week's singing warm-up, we're going to be working at our vowels. So that is E, E, R, O, and U. It goes E, Stay tuned to warm up with me. Kia ora and welcome back. Don't forget that if you'd like to warm up your voice every single week, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel because I bring out videos exactly like this every single Wednesday for you to warm up your voice. In this week's warm up, we're going to be working at the vowels E, E, R, O, and U. I like to start with the tongue in a high position and move down towards the back vowels E, E, R, O, and U. Because that way we can really keep the tongue in that heightened position of the E as we move through to the O and U vowels. Let's get straight into the warm-up. For those of you that are using any pitch training software, I'm going to be starting on an F below middle C. It goes E, E, R, O. I'll sing a couple of times with you. Let's try it again. One more time. E, E, R, O. Now you're on your own. Done. I'm going to try a couple more. Last one, or two more. That's the last one. Excellent. How did you get on? Thank you so much for joining me this week. Have fun warming up. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Keep singing. Ka kite ano.